Damian, on the new Inspirational album, you're singing Feels Like Home. Where feels like home to you these days? Is it LA or Derry?
Feels like home. I mean, definitely Derry. You know, Derry's where I'm from. Derry's where I grew up. I have friends there that I've known since 2 or 3 years old. My family's there. You know, people that I grew up with are all there. So sort of, that was the interesting thing about recording this album, is that whenever I was singing that song, I was able to sort of channel being in Derry, but also obviously, you know, 5 or 6 years ago, work took me to Los Angeles, so I have an apartment there, and I'm there 4, 5, 6 months of the year within all the touring and making music, and so I was sort of able to channel Derry, but also think about Los Angeles as well, because I now have friends there that feel like family, that I've known for the last 4 or 5 years, that I'm really close with, and the American people in general have been so welcoming. I mean, to all of us, to all the Celtic Thunder lads, to be honest with you, the last 10 years, they've been incredibly welcoming, and everywhere we've went, they've just been loving and sort of appreciative of the music, and we've made a lot of friends in America, so it's like a double-edged sword. Derry is definitely my home, but I love America and the people, and I'm very grateful they've welcomed us the way they have. So this song, I suppose, can be perceived in any of either of those ways.
There's something in your eyes, makes me wanna lose myself, makes me wanna lose myself in your arms. There's something in your voice, makes my heart beat fast. Hope this feeling lasts the rest of my life. If you knew how lonely my life has been, and how low I felt for so long. If you knew how I wanted someone to come along and change my life the way you've done. Feels like home to me, feels like home to me, feels like I'm all the way back where I come from. Feels like home to me, feels like home to me, feels like I'm all the way back where I belong. A window breaks down a long dark street, and a siren waits in the night. But that's alright, 'cause I have you here with me, and I can almost see through the darkest of light. If you knew how much this moment means to me, and how long I've waited for your touch. If you knew how happy you are making me, I never thought I'd love anyone so much. Feels like home to me, feels like home to me, feels like I'm all the way back where I come from. Feels like home to me, feels like home to me, feels like I'm all the way back where I belong. Feels like I'm all the way back where